distilled for your viewing. Oh god, I can't handle my nipples. They're so sexy. Oh, look at my new tattoo, bitch. I'm gonna run off this porch. Ooh, puddle of water. Boosh. I hate you so much. Look at my body and look at my boobs jiggle. I don't have any boobs, but I'm gonna run away from yours because they're so big. That wiener. Why is it so big? I don't understand. What are you doing here? Oh, that was a fun... Oh god, your boob. What's going on with it?
How about you tell me everything that Scott said about your... What do you mean everything?
Wieners.
I mean everything.
Oh. You know what that means. Yeah. Oh. Look at those abs you don't even have. Oh, I'm a guy nobody knows. 1, 2, 5, 89, 70. I can't count, but 100. Oh, my teenager body. Oh, back to me. Oh, Mom, stop trying to look at my penis. Oh, wet dreams. Oh, God. Oh, the penis. Oh, so much touching.